Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Instagram shopping on Shopify. Let's get started. So in order to do that, you can just click on this apps right here and search in here for Instagram. So once you have searched for Instagram right here, you can actually just search in here as well in the Shopify App Store in order to see everything. So once you have searched for this Instagram, you should be able to see all of these things right here. Now what you need to click on is this Instagram shop and Facebook shop. So click on this one. And then once you have clicked on it, you can have the option to install it. So this actually what look like they have the option in order to buy this directly from Instagram, and then they will be redirected to our Shopify. So let's click on this install, and then once you have done that, it will ask for permission in order to install this specific app on our Shopify. So in here, as you can see, it asks for access. So click on install right here. In order to install is on our shop. So once it's done loading, we should be able to see it on our left sidebar, just around this part right here. So this is the app that we have connected. And then once you have connected that, it will load and this will show you what it will look like. So our current plan is on trial, but you can actually upgrade if you want. So first thing you can do is to connect social accounts right here. You can connect your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. But since we are actually talking about Instagram, we can click on Instagram right here. Click on Connect Instagram. And then from in there, you just need to log into your Facebook. This because Instagram and Facebook are connected. And you can just sign up right here or sign in. And once you have signed in, you should be able to synchronize your Instagram shop to your actual Shopify account. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.